Cappuccino, hold the phone. Take me home.
Hey my friends, how you doing? I just wanted to show you this new feature in Microsoft Word, or maybe it's not new for you, but it's definitely new for me. And it gets me thinking about many things in education. So let's check this out. In Microsoft Word, something that I noticed today that I haven't noticed before, maybe it's just I'm just late to the updates, but on my documents, I have this option right here called Dictate. And if you take a look at this, it can pick what language you're going to dictate in. You can preview languages. I'm going to keep it English, but check this out. I click this dictate and watch how smooth this is. Hello. Hello. I love coffee. Period. What is your favorite type of coffee? Question mark. More importantly, why are we still teaching 19th century classroom practices when this is the future where our students can actually type a paper without ever touching a keyboard? Question. Question mark. It is time that we stop living in the past. We stop thinking about the right now and begin to think about what are the skills, the thinking processes, and the essential ingredients needed to be successful in the future as technology continues to exponentially grow and transform the landscape of our lives. So, guys, as you see this, I just think there's something for us to think about. It's this is it. This is real. It's pretty legit. Like, give or take a few little grammar things here and there, which I'm sure there are commands to go back and fix, which I haven't really explored. Guys, we need to get on board. It's time. Let's figure it out.